Welcome, little artists. Get your pencil, your eraser, and your favorite colors ready. Sit comfortably, take a deep breath, and let's begin our fun drawing adventure. Follow along slowly. And remember, every drawing is special because it is made by you. Today, we are going to draw a very cute stegosaurus together. Our stegosaurus drawing story begins with a soft curved line for the head and neck. Imagine a tiny dinosaur peeking into the page, ready to become your new friendly art buddy. Now we add the face. Draw a big bright eye, a tiny nose, and a gentle smile. The little dinosaur already looks cheerful, as if it wants to say hello. Let's stretch the drawing into a body. Add a round back and a little tail pointing behind. Keep the shape smooth and soft, like a friendly dinosaur walking slowly. Now add the legs and small toes. Give the dinosaur 4 sturdy feet so it can stand proudly. Our cute stegosaurus is starting to look ready for an adventure. Clean up the full body outline. Make the head, back, belly, legs, and tail smooth and easy to see. The dinosaur shape is now complete and friendly. Let's add the first big back plate. Place it on top of the dinosaur's back like a little shield. This is what makes our stegosaurus special. Add more plates along the back. Each plate can be a simple rounded diamond shape. Let them march down the dinosaur's spine like tiny mountain peaks. Continue adding smaller plates toward the tail. The plates get smaller as they move backward, making the dinosaur look balanced and playful. Now finish the last plates near the tail. Check that every plate sits neatly on the back. Our stegosaurus now has its famous row of dinosaur armor. Add oval spots on the dinosaur's back. These little markings make the body more fun and decorative, like friendly polka dots on a happy dinosaur. Finish the black and white drawing. Look carefully at the face, feet, tail, plates, and spots. Everything should be complete before we add color. Now color the dinosaur bright green. Make the back plates orange, the spots yellow, and keep the eye shiny. Our cheerful stegosaurus is fully alive and ready to play.
You did an incredible job following the story step by step. If you want more magical drawing adventures, cute characters, coloring fun, and surprise animations, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Keep drawing, keep smiling, keep imagining. And I'll see you in our next magical art adventure. Bye-bye, little artists!